Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 Kia Sportage, a compact SUV that's turning heads with its bold design, upgraded tech, and multiple engine options. Whether you're looking for daily comfort, great fuel efficiency, or even a bit of off-road capability, this SUV has something for everyone. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Sportage comes with a striking new design. At the front, you'll notice the aggressive tiger nose grille and those sharp LED daytime running lights shaped like boomerangs. They really stand out on the road. The side profile looks sleek with strong character lines and stylish alloy wheels that go up to 19 inches. At the back, there's a modern LED tail light bar running across the width of the vehicle, giving it a premium and sporty feel. Overall, the design is bold, futuristic, and definitely one of the best in its class. Now stepping inside, the cabin feels spacious and upscale. Kia has done a great job with the materials, soft touch surfaces, stylish textures, and a high-tech layout. The dashboard is dominated by a curved dual-screen setup, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen. The system is fast, sharp, and supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. On higher trims, you also get a Harman Kardon sound system, wireless charging, ambient lighting, and ventilated front seats. The rear seats offer best-in-class legroom and a reclining feature, making it super comfortable for passengers. And the cargo space is huge, perfect for road trips or daily errands. Under the hood, the 2025 Sportage offers multiple engine options. The base engine is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder with 187 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic, smooth and reliable for everyday driving. There's also a hybrid version with a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine and an electric motor that together produce 227 horsepower. It's quick, smooth, and fuel efficient. And for those wanting to go green, there's a plug-in hybrid option too. All-wheel drive is available across the range, and the X-Pro trims come with off-road tires and additional features for adventurous drivers. Safety is another strong point for the Sportage. You get features like forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control as standard. Higher trims even offer a surround view camera and highway driving assist, making your drive safer and more relaxed. Now let's talk price. The base LX model starts around $28,000, and the mid-level trims like X or X-Line go up to the low $30,000s. If you want all the premium features and hybrid tech, the top trims can reach around $40,000 to $42,000, depending on the configuration.